just a few weeks ago, GLM 5 dropped. If GLM 4.6 was powerful, just imagine the updated version. It takes you from vibe coding to agentic engineering. And when you scroll down here to see how it's doing compared to these other models, you can see how powerful it is getting, right? You see this, it is just on par with these Anthropic. It's really powerful, and a lot of people are saying good things about it actually. People who are using it are saying so many different good things about it. It is designed for complex systems engineering and long horizon agentic tasks. So this is really powerful. You can also see here how it is performing compared to Anthropic. It's really close. You can see the difference here. It's not very much. Right now it is on number 3 compared to Google, Anthropic, and that's where it is. The difference is not really that big. They're just on the same level, actually. When you look at this, you can see the payments down here. You can see some of the things they've built with this model. It's actually supported in all these tools here, in Claude Code, in Kesa, Rule Code, Kiro, Klein, Open Code, Crash, Goose. All these tools here, they actually support the use of GLM5. So you should try that out in any of your favorite tools to build anything that is interesting. I've just given it a prompt to build me a learning management system, and it's doing a good job at it. So it is planning and creating all these files down here. So it starts with the schema going forward. I want you to try it out. Come here and tell me what you think about this. If you have any questions concerning GLM5, drop them in the comments. I'll be able to respond to you. Otherwise, this was just it to show you what is happening and to also catch up on what I've missed out because I've been silent for some days now. So yeah, this is just me catching up with everything that is happening in the AI world. Otherwise, tell me what you think about it. I know you might have tried this already. So tell me what you think about it down in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.